Hey Insiders, we're here at the Contemporary Resort to give you a full walking tour of this resort. So we're up here at the very front of this resort, kind of to the left of the lobby. Over here is going to be where your buses go if you want to go throughout property. So let's head into the main lobby and see what this resort has to offer. Hit the like button and subscribe. So yeah, if you get dropped off from the airport or anything, you're going to be dropped off right out here. And walk through these doors. And this is the bottom floor of this resort. We have the bell services desk to our left. An awesome contemporary grounds coffee shop brought to you by Joffrey's. So they have yummy coffee, cold brews, anything you can need. Also some little pastries and stuff. So if you're on property, they also have, if you're on property and you want breakfast, a little shop. Seating area over here, which is really nice. And we're gonna come this way. We love all the updates that they've done over the past couple of years here at the Contemporary. It looks beautiful. This lobby is absolutely stunning. You check in over here to my left. Some seating area to my right. And there's so much to do here at this resort. So we're gonna keep on walking. Over here to my right, we also have a little kid area. They're watching Bluey over there. More seating, kind of if you're waiting for your reservation over here at Steakhouse 71. Which is an awesome place for food, a steakhouse vibe, so lots of good steak and appetizers and drinks. There's also a lounge option, so if you can't get a reservation, come by and sit in the lounge. Some restrooms, the escalators to go upstairs. There's a little bit of artwork over here. It just leads you back around to like the main lobby. I'll kind of show you like where we entered by the coffee shop. So it's basically just a hallway that leads you that way. But we're actually gonna come out here outside because we're gonna check out the pool and the other amenities this property has to offer. So we also have the Bay Lake Tower over here, which we're not gonna show in this video, but it is a DVC tower with its very own pool and it's connected by this breezeway like bridge. But yeah, this is the outside. Here we have the marina right in front of us. So you can take out pontoon boats, firework cruises, all of that fun jazz from this resort. Here's a quick look back at the resort. It's gorgeous. Some fun little things over here, like Movie Under the Stars happens over here. We have some games. The pool is over here. They have a fabulous splash pad and this little metal Mickey that you can take a photo with. We have a bar, the sand bar. But this amazing pool and splash pad is awesome for the families and the kiddos. Or just a nice pool to lounge by. They even have a slide, which is fabulous. A bunch of places just come out and sit. It's a very cozy and cool. Yeah, it's a really great pool for the whole family. Yeah, we have this sand bar over here, including ice cream, snacks, drinks, really anything you guys could want while you're sitting out by the pool, which is fabulous. There's also the bathrooms for the outdoor over here, and then I'll walk down towards the marina where you can catch multiple boats to different locations here on property. There is a water bottle fill-up station right there. Good to know, stay hydrated while you're here, which is, you know, important. Florida can get really hot. We have some more like lawn games out here and a pool table, great. Cornhole, foosball, a bunch of things. So we have some places we can go. This will take you to Fort Wilderness Campground and Fort Wilderness Lodge. Then I know we have one for Magic Kingdom as well, but here's even more chairs to lounge in. The pool comes all the way out. Really cool. There's even some beach volleyball over here. Towels for you when you're staying. Yeah, just really good vibes while you're here. There's a little bit of music playing in the background. The pool is open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. We definitely got some cool things over here. Yeah, nice sandy area. Some lounging couches and chairs. Volleyball with like a monorail on the net. That's adorable. More of the pool. It's a very big pool. That slide looks really inviting though. I want to go on that slide. Like I said, Bay Lake does have its own pool as well. But let's head back inside and let's go up to the second floor. I think right now they don't have the boats going to Magic because of course we're on the monorail line as well as walking path to get to Magic. So I think right now the boats just go to the Wilderness Lodge. So that's a tip right there. Definitely look to see what boats. Sometimes they vary on where they go. So like I said, let's head back into the main lobby. Heading back into the main lobby. I love these rugs. They're super cute. So the second floor of this resort is mainly the convention center. So you're gonna see a lot of companies come in and have their conventions here. It's a really nice area, but there is something else on this floor that I want to show you guys. So let's take this and go up. There is 3 floors plus the rooms to this resort. So much to see. So up here we have a lot of, this side of it is the convention center. And then we have the California Grill. So this is where you're gonna check in. If you have dining reservation here at the California Grill, and you'll take those elevators up to your restaurant. So there's also stairs that go downstairs to outside, which is where we were. These are all the ballrooms. There's some bathrooms. Hey, you can kind of see the hidden Mickey and the flowers there. Cute. But up here definitely has some lounging spots. If you're just trying to chill, take a seat. I've seen people take naps. But there is a lot of bathrooms on this floor if you're looking for a bathroom. It's relatively quiet. If you just keep walking down, there are some bathrooms down here, so we've got plenty. But yeah, let's head up to the next floor. And the first thing we come up upon is the BVG store here. This is gonna be your regular store. There's 2 stores actually on this, oh, technically 3 because of the Fantasia store. This is gonna have a bunch of merchandise in here. So if you forgot anything from the parks, this is gonna have more ears and clothing. And then the Fantasia one in the middle is gonna have more of the toy section. I'll show you all of it. But yeah, so we have a really good selection of merchandise at this resort. If you forgot anything in the parks and you can't get back in because you don't have a reservation or it's your last day, you're trying to grab some things before you catch your flight. There's also some, oh, walked right by it. There's some treats you can get in here as well. There's basically all the treats, well, not all of them, the majority of the treats you can get in the park. You can get in here, like the Mickey cookies. That's why, because it's a little bit busy. You kind of see the cookie case. Yeah, all the snacks, which is great. And then we're gonna keep going. They have lounge flies, sweaters. This is, like I said, more of the housewares, clothes, and stuff for the contemporary. Like all of the contemporary merchandise is here as well. And then over here at the Fantasia store is going to be more of the toys, games, plushies, lots of stuff for the whole family. So let's head in here. Like I said, toys, cool Pirates of the Caribbean ships, Disney games if you're looking for it, all the plushies you could possibly think in the world. And then if we keep going over here, this is gonna be the last store over here, which is the Fantasia Market, which, because this is DVC, you're gonna have wines, treats, frozen foods, because we're attached to Bay Lake. So this is where you're gonna get all of those things. Toiletries, if you forgot them, are also in here, which is a great thing to know that you have that option here at the resort. If you can't get off property, you do have some things to choose from here on property. Sunscreen, if you need some sunscreen, it's pretty important. But that is these stores that are up here. Now out here is the observation deck. So if you are here during the fireworks, right now it looks like it's closed off, but you can go up on the balconies up here in the stairwell and watch the fireworks and such. So there's a couple people out here. Maybe it's not closed off. Has a really good view of Magic Kingdom out here. Also, this is the sky bridge over to Bay Lake Tower. So if you're staying at Bay Lake Tower or wanting to go over there, this is the bridge over to Bay Lake Tower. And so this is basically where we find, this is Fantasia Market, the BVG store that we came in the beginning. And we're gonna walk back towards the way we came. So I'm gonna show you guys some other things that this resort has to offer. Yeah, definitely lots of cool things to see. Very cool little pieces of art. The Mary Blair mural going all the way up, which is beautiful. Just some really fun things. Also, this resort is awesome because you are on the Magic Kingdom Monorail line. So this is where you go to get on the monorail. Basically, this is the front Fantasia store, and it's just literally right here. So you still have to pass the, go through security and everything, but then you can get on the monorail and go wherever you'd like on the monorail loop. We also have an arcade, so wayfinding arcade, Fantasia Market over there, the big Fantasia store is here. Monorail. And then where I came up was over there on those escalators. So, like I said, lots of stuff. It's not that weird of a layout. It's just kind of like a circle, think about it. So we also have some elevators to take you up to your staterooms. Over here we have the dining options that are up here. We have the Contempo Cafe, which is a quick serve location for this resort. Chef Mickey's, which is character dining. And then the Outer Rim Bar. So you have some fun little options over here for all ages, all types. You can find something. The food actually looks really good here, I'm not gonna lie. Some good pizzas and stuff. So yeah, definitely all your needs can be met right here on property. And more of the mural. I also love going to this resort just to watch the monorails come in and out. But all the art here is just absolutely stunning. I love it very, very much. If you're staying here, you're not gonna regret it. It's amazing, especially with the convenience of hopping on the monorail. Huge. It is the resort monorail line while you're here. So just know that if you're coming to stay on property, it's the resort monorail line. It'll take you to all the resorts on the line. I think that's gonna do it for me here at the Contemporary Resort. As you can see, there's so much cool things to see, to do, and it's such a convenient resort to stay at, being on the monorail line from Magic Kingdom. If you'd like any help with anything booking a resort, check out our partners, Academy Travel. Their link is in the description below, and we'd love to help answer your questions. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. But thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that like button and subscribe.